This is 4.6.2.
Get your grade up.
Adding and subtracting complex numbers. So yesterday we learned about the imaginary unit. Okay. Today we are talking about complex numbers. Complex numbers are of the form a plus bi. That's right here. A plus bi, where I is the imaginary unit. So what you're looking at in this problem right here, the first parentheses is an a plus bi. All right, so all of that is a complex number. And in the second parentheses is another complex number. So today we're going to add and subtract complex numbers. And for addition, this is super easy. All you have to do is combine like terms. So -1 plus 3 is 2. 2i plus 3i is 5i. So that's it. We just added two complex numbers. That's it.
Oh,
This is easy. It is. Okay. Now we're going to subtract. Write that down for me. Nate, get the hoodie off. All right, so with subtraction, in algebra, we define subtraction as adding the opposite. Okay? So if I have this subtraction, what I have to do is I have to make both of those signs in that parentheses that follow it the opposite. I'm going to distribute that negative to both of those two terms. The first parenthesis is coming down exactly as it is. Oops, that's a 3. So I have 2 minus 3i. And now I'm going to change the sign in the second parentheses. So it becomes -3 and then plus 7i. Then you combine like terms. Okay, so 2 plus -3 is -1. -3i plus 7i is 4i. So that's subtraction. It is easy. Yeah, it is easy. This problem has 3 complex numbers. Okay, 1 is being subtracted. I've got to subtract, and I've got an add, all in the same problem. So when I am subtracting just that much, just one complex number. So when you distribute that negative, you're going to distribute it just to this parentheses. All right? Can you try that one for me, please?
You don't have to distribute.
You're distributing that negative to the yellow, what I just highlighted in yellow.
Are we multiplying?
No, you're adding.
Every single time I'm like, really? Is that
You have to bring up the assessment first, and then on the left it says proper dashboard. Well, I think you're already in assessment, so you have to find the test.
Oh.
This is what I'm saying. And then once you have the test done, then you select proper dashboard. Are we ready? All right, so this one comes down And then I'm going to combine like terms. Now, complex numbers in standard form always have the term that does not have the I first. So as I'm combining like terms, I'm first looking for all of the ones that do not have an I. So -3 and +2 would make -1. And now I'm going to combine all of the terms that have an I. So I've got 2I plus -1I makes 1I. 1I plus -3I makes -2I. How is that? Good. Question? All right, can you try that one for me, please? I know. So I distributed the negative to the second parentheses, and then I combined like terms. All right, I'm going to hit save this. I'll be right with you.